How to make easy halftone effect in Adobe Photoshop. Open your image and remove the background. You can do it manually as well, but in the newer Photoshop versions there is an option for quick auto background removal. You can apply the further effects with a background as well, but I want the image to be PNG so I can use it on a t-shirt mock-up later. Right-click on the image layer and convert it to a smart object. Go to Filter, Pixelate and select Color Halftone. A dialog box will open. Max radius dictates the size of the dots. The higher the number, the bigger the dots. Now it's time to distort the image a bit and make it black and white. Go to Filter Adjustments and select Threshold or select it in the menu on the right if it shows up there. The Threshold tool allows you to alter the amount of whiteness and blackness in each image. It measures the levels of darkness in the image, and by changing those levels, the image can look dramatically different. Here is the final result. And how it can look placed on a t-shirt, for example. Thanks for watching. Click the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.